guys, today I did my makeup here. Yeah. Can't tell, not on my everything. If you can't tell, I'm on vacation. Now I'm watching my brother. And I'm bored. I thought I should make a video. You want to see my awesome phone? No, I'll go get it. My sister's ultimate wrong. She did not taste this at all. She really didn't. She has to do Elsa. Hang on, I'll get a few more. She drew Patowski. She drew Jake Patowski. Jake off of Adventure Time. And what Elsa? I think she did great on Elsa. She didn't taste it. It takes a lot of practice. But, you know. I forgot my phone. Hang on. I got a mini computer. That's what I'm filming on now. Yeah. Watch, I can make a video of me. I can make a video of me. Hey, this is me making a video of me. And you guys, I'm recording off of, if y'all really want to know, I'm recording off of, first, I'm recording off of, I'll show you. Recording off of, I'm recording off of a computer. I'm kidding. Get recorded. Okay. I'll let you see. Okay, so you're all being recorded off of. Yeah, so you're all being recorded off of computer. So y'all know. See you tomorrow. People think once you get a phone, you get all snotty. I'm not snotty. I want to play Pac-Man. I'm gonna see. I never understood Pac-Man, but now I do. I'm incredible. I'm looking for $1. This is awesome. Now see my phone case. My phone's not in here. It's just a piece of paper. I'm gonna draw my face on. Alright, I'm gonna draw a picture. Alright, my name can just be like, yeah, all my thing says my name. Erica. And G-A-N-A-N-A-S. Erica Gammon. I'm just gonna put it in here. See that line hitting you are being recorded off of. I'll take a picture of the keyboard. Here, I'll take a picture of my face. Here, I'm gonna take it out of the shape. Anyway, enough about my phone. People think, yeah, once you get a phone, you turn on snotty. That's why I'm not getting a phone yet. Complicated. Right. I literally forgot I was recording. Oh, well. Is that cool? I went all the way across the table like that. So, well, anyway, I'm pretty sure y'all are bored. Bye-bye.